Okay, question 61, we are going to explore kung ano yung power to obtain necessary information as one of the powers of the commissioner. Okay, ito yung scenario. Which of the following is a key component of the question pala? Which of the following is the key component of the Commissioner of Internal Revenue to obtain data, necessary data, which is essential for ensuring all the persons are assessed correctly? So, ano dito? Okay, sabi dito sa A is the authority to conduct random social media. So, hindi yan. Parang pakit-cute lang ito. Letter B is the power to summon persons, administer oaths, compel the production of the books of accounts. This is at first in the form of LOA. Pero for taking witnesses, yes, he can do the summoning of persons. Okay, lahat ng relevant data asserting the person's tax liability, he can do that. Okay, yung Commissioner of Internal Revenue. So this is correct. The right to unilaterally set taxpayers' income at the statutory maximum if the taxpayer refuses to submit return. Yes, isa ito. Ang tawag dito is yung Jeopardy assessment na i-compute na lang niya by estimate yung assessment na yan pag wala talagang data provided by the taxpayers. Okay? Pero refuses siya. But this, ano kasi natin dito is regarding doon sa inquiry, ensuring that persons assessed correctly. Kasi assessed correctly, ano yung gagawin niya? Ito, there's no correct assessment on this one. It's just an estimate. It has the power to estimate how much is the liability of the taxpayer kung wala talagang pagbasihan kasi wala silang makikita na data provided by the taxpayer. Letter D, the power to compel banks to disclose all deposits information without, they cannot do this one because of this bank secrecy law. I forgot yung secrecy. Na-forgot ko yung RA, anong RA number yan. Okay, but anyway, he cannot do that. It must be voluntarily. Except for the estate tax. Okay, pwede yan. Mayroon siyang power to inquire estate tax. Kasi sa estate tax, you need to determine kung magkano ba talaga yung napamana or kayamanan na naiwan ng decedent. Kung hindi yan gagawin, hindi nila ma-estimate kung o hindi nila ma-compute kung magkano yung estate tax na supposedly nababayaran. Okay, so among the choices, only letter B is preferable as the correct pala na choice dito. So again, ang ano natin dyan, kumbaga, titingnan natin na we need to remember na ang CIR has explicitly a necessary power na i-compel ang pagdi-disclose ng information. Now, it will start with a letter of authority. Now, this includes authority to summon. So, part na dito yung i-summon yung person or individual kung kailangan. Halimbawa, mayroon tayong yung pag hindi ka mag-submit ng evidence, mayroon yung subpoena, doses tecum, that you are compelled to submit all the data that they require. Na required ng Commissioner of Internal Revenue. So, yun. Then, administer ng oath kung may witness, then examine witnesses, then examine yung mga relevant records para accurately ma-determine talaga kung magkano yung tax liability. Kung titingnan mo, administrative lang siya by nature pero compulsory ang mangyayari dito. Kailangan na kung ano yung isusummon nila, they have to go to the Commissioner of Internal Revenue for that purpose. So therefore, again, the answer is letter B.